thought one of the interesting examples here was Sora. Debuted last September, hit #1 in the App Store, and then just kind of like vanished out of everybody's consciousness. The video generation, I think, is getting folded into ChatGPT. But, it's like that was maybe not the thing we should have been doing, trying to build a video first AI generated social network as opposed to delivering on the fundamental promise.
Yeah. And now they're folding video just directly into ChatGPT. So you don't actually have to have the standalone app, which like candidly makes sense. I don't know why it was ever needed to be a standalone strategy, but so now they're just putting it in the sort of flagship way everybody uses it.
Yeah, yeah. The standalone felt like it was like, hey, we're going to be a social network too, and we all AI. It was just too many things, right? They were trying to do too much, and maybe this will be a good focus.
I think that is sort of like the definition of a side quest, and it's a great example where like everybody wanted to use it in the first week because it was cool and new, but then like it didn't have any long-term utility unless you wanted to build something completely different, and so didn't work out so well for them.
Yeah, the interesting question to me will be if this means deprioritizing advertising, e-commerce, the things that could make the consumer market that they've really captured usage in profitable, or if they're really going, hey, if we're going to be charging users and that's the path to profitability, then the answer generally is, I mean, you saw this with Dropbox, right? Own the consumer market, but just kind of lost everything to other competitors who owned enterprise and had to make a total switch. So if they well, it'll be interesting to see if they're giving up on advertising as a way to make consumer scale business work the way Google and Meta and others have done, or if they're really going to focus on the enterprise, which would mean paid subscriptions.